Gold stayed bullish for the day, failing to break past 2005 levels on the downside, has achieved the highs, and today again we have seen it achieving 2018 levels. But important thing is it so far failed to break past 2018, couple of attempts yesterday and today. Now, can we expect it to scale past 2020? Can we expect it to stay bullish? Can we buy from these levels? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Get the latest updates. Let's start. On the hourly chart, see, gold is getting support here at 20 period and trying to rise more. It is diverging from the moving averages, suggestive of bullishness. After the drop, after staying sideways here, it is now trying to show bullishness here. Now on the upside, see on the hourly charts, the candles stayed outside Bollinger Bands and getting a push. Also on the hourly charts, if you see this, lower highs, higher lows are seen. Thus, we have to wait for it to break past any of these levels. Certainly 2018 levels giving it a good resistance on the upside. So can we buy here at 2018? We can initiate a buying position at 2018 levels and expect 2022 as the first target, and beyond this we can look forward to 2028-30 levels. Remember, many a times earlier I have said that 2020-2025 zone is what you should look forward to, and gold, as long as it stays below 2025, can reverse any point of time and stay and trade bearish. Thus we have to exercise extra caution here at 2018-2025 zone. But yes, right now it is showing a little bullish intent. As you can notice, higher lows, higher highs are observed, and certainly the slope has also changed. Moving averages trading with divergence looking bullish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trying to show slight bearishness. Also, see the hourly charts here. It is always scaled to the highs and has hit the bottom. RSI comfortable levels, neither overbought nor oversold. Coming to 2-hour charts. Now look at 2-hour charts. After staying in the zone, retracement candles, and since then it has stayed bullish, change the slope, trying to look upwards. We have to wait for it to break past 2018 with the next candle, and once it stays above 2018, we have to initiate a buying position for 2022 and plus levels. Now on the downside, one important observation is, see, none of the candles closed below 2008 levels. Now that is and also the 20 period moving average lies there. So I will recommend you to sell only if you see gold staying below 2008 levels. Even if it trades below 2008, 2005 and 2000 levels are going to remain the greater support for the day. Now on the 2-hour chart, see, it is just consolidating after the rise. Wait for it to give a breakout. The stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. And on the 2-hour charts as well, see, this is almost close to the highs which it has seen in the recent past. RSI is overbought. On the 3, likewise on the 3-hour charts, 3 retracement candles, one single reversal candle breaking the resistance. It has changed the slope. It is trying to look upwards. Possibly we might see it rising towards 2022 levels. But yes, a buying entry at, as we can note that 2018 is giving it a good resistance. So beyond this, we can certainly expect it to rise more. Preceding candle was an indecision candle. This candle might be of consolidation. We have to wait for a breakout. Prices are little divergent from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at around 2006 levels, which is certainly a good support. A stochastic overbought. MACD is in green, trying to diverge more. Right now it is at a comfortable zone, and RSI is back to overbought levels. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, see, bullishness getting diminished. This is the third candle, and this is a swing candle. Bullishness getting diminished here. At this point, the buyers and sellers are fighting that which direction it should trade. Right now it appears to be indecisive. Now what should happen? We have to wait for a breakout on the downside. If it breaks on the downside towards 2012 and then 2008 levels, yes, we can say that the prices are reversing for 2005 and below levels. Now I will only recommend a sell if you see it is staying below 2008 levels, as that should be the level which will mark a little retracement towards 2005 and 2000 levels and below. Now, moving averages are trading with divergence. Prices are divergent from the moving average. And certainly in the recent past, we have seen gold, whenever it tries to diverge from the 20 period, it tries to converge as well. So, yes, it is still looking upwards. Stochastic is also looking upwards here. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, bullishness looking upwards again, so shines of bullishness here. Now on MACD, one point we have observed yesterday is, see, the rise, the retracement, and it is trying to rise. It can scale to the highs here. RSI is overbought. Coming to the daily, before we move on to the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 28th mentorship batch, which is announced. You can book your seats now itself. Also, yes, you can be part of my Signals channel. And yes, we have a weekly webinar series there on every Sunday. We discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. This is the platform where you have the details related to the mentorship batch, the webinar. There is a breaking news section where you get all the news releases from the global markets. And there is much more, the economic calendars, the markets data where you can analyze the charts, and also you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance, and much more in offering. Also, there is a communities tab where you can discuss. Do visit the place forexfunda.com and indulge into enriching discussion. And for Signals group on Telegram, reach out to me via Telegram. Now look at the gold on the daily charts. First of all, we have seen yesterday gold coming out of this consolidation zone and giving first bullish candle. Yes, it is still bullish. At the same time, look at what it has done today. 2018 level, certainly a greater resistance. It has achieved the highs earlier in the day itself. And now with the resistance at the same levels, trying to show a little push. Now remember one, once it scales past yesterday's high, we can look forward to 2022. And once it scales past 2022, we are looking forward to more rise towards 2830 levels as the next target. Many times I have mentioned that beyond 2020 2025 zone, we have to scale, we have to wait for gold to reach 2050, 2075 and all-time high levels. Yes, this is also possible. Also, it has come out of this consolidation and stayed bullish. At the same time, we must note that it is getting a good resistance on the upside. Now, this is first part to it. Second part to it is, see, gold till here it was fine, double top levels, but now it is given a breakout. I will wait for it to. Also, second observation here is the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now, too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Right now, the 20 period is sitting at around 1980-85 zone, which is certainly a good support. Also, moving averages have crossed over here. Since then, trading divergence. See, first retracement towards the 100 period, second rise, and if it retraces from here, it is going to be a bigger fall. Remember, only bearishness is once gold stays below 2000 levels, then you can say that prices have reversed and there is going to be a major fall. As long as 2000 levels are not breached, we should not treat gold as bearish. Daily stochastic has come to overbought levels. MACD is has crossed over. See, it is divergent slowly. Now, slow divergence after the rise, this is retracement, and there is a possibility that it can cross over for sell again. Why? Because see, these are the higher levels which gold has achieved in the recent past. See what has happened here. After the drop, it has retraced here and then the crossover. Similar phenomena can be observed because see, it has come from a higher levels and hence it can cross over and sell off. Right now, it is not showing the signs of a crossover. RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold today 2018 levels. Beyond 2018, 2022 is the first target, 25 and 2830. See, 2022, 2025 is the first resistance zone, 2830 is the next resistance zone. These two levels you should watch out for. Beyond 2030, it is going to scale towards possibly all-time high levels, and in fact this time we may see it breaking beyond all-time high levels. So you have to stay cautious. If it breakouts, if a breakout above 2025 is seen, possibly we are not going to look back in gold and it is going to scale past the highs. At the same time, right now it is still getting a stronger resistance on the upside. Thus a sell entry at 2008 can be taken, but on the downside 2005, 2002 are two support levels and the psychological support at 2000. So once it breaks below 2000, there is a bearish reversal. we can expect a major reversal, we can expect a major drop, which is going to take it till towards 1990 and 1985 levels. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your queries. And yes, you can book a call if you need any consultation. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.